Hotel e Resort Acoya a recebido um tremendo reconhecimento e o Ministro de Economia e Turismo, Sr. Palm, estava presente.
This is the week where the master plan that we have been working so hard on is being presented to different stakeholders. I will be presenting the master plan in Parliament on Friday, and this master plan will give the direction, the vision, where we will be heading in the next couple of years. And rest assured, John Kelly also told me, you're the minister, you're responsible for bringing in all the tourists to fill the rooms. We are working very hard on this together with the tourist board, and everybody is working really hard to get more flights into Curacao, try to improve the product that we have, and try to concentrate all the efforts in bringing in more vacationers here on the island. We believe that we are still a sleeping giant, but with projects like this, I'm sure that we're waking up and letting the world know where Curacao is, what we have to offer, and that we certainly attract more visitors to our lovely island. I want to again congratulate you, but not just you, your whole staff and all the employees here. I've heard great reviews. Unfortunately, I have not been able to stay here at your hotel yet, but I will make sure that I make a reservation in the coming weeks or months. But I want to congratulate the staff and all the employees, and I want to ask a round of applause for everybody that has worked and made this possible. Again, we have a very diverse economy, and most islands in the Caribbean, they depend mostly only on tourism. We have a very diverse economy here in Curacao. We have the refinery, our free zone, our international financial services, our dry dock. But tourism has grown more than double over the past 10 years. And we believe that it will keep growing over the years to come. And that's why we're putting so much effort into promoting Curacao even more. And again, with projects like this, additions of new hotels, additions of new carriers coming into the island, I believe we will reach the final goal of making tourism the most important sector of Curacao. So congratulations to Acoya. Congratulations with the affiliation to Interval International, and I'm sure it will be successful in the years to come, as will the tourism sector for Curacao. Thank you all.